Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to share your Walmart Plus with your family. So in order to share your Walmart Plus with your family, there are some criterias. So here's the eligibility for sharing your Walmart Plus account. For primary account, you must have an active Walmart Plus membership. So in order to add your household members, these are the criterias. You can only add one additional household member and they must live at the same address as the primary account holder, that is you. So after you meet these criteria, we can move to the next step, that is to add a household member. So for adding a household member, just follow these simple steps. The first step would be going to the Walmart app or the Walmart website and sign into your account. After that, the next step would be navigating to the Walmart Plus section by selecting Account and then Walmart Plus from the menu. After that, look for the option that says Add a household member. And after you find that option, just click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to enter your email address of the person you want to add and make sure the email is tied to their Walmart account, or else they will need to create one if they don't have it. So the next step is make sure the invited person will receive an email, and once they accept the invitation, they will be added to your membership. So let's get down with the benefits for the added member. So the household member that is added to your Walmart Plus account will have the following benefits. They will have free delivery on orders that are $35 and above, and they will get free shipping with no order minimum on items from walmart.com, and they will also get the regular fuel discounts at participating gas stations, and they will have the option to mobile scan and go in store. So what are the limitations? So as you can see, you can only add one additional member of your family to your account. You cannot add more than one, and both the primary account holder and the other member of your family must live at the same address. So these are the limitations of the Walmart Plus adding member option. So this is it. This is how you can add your family member to your Walmart Plus account. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.